Hi students, how are you? Today we are starting exercise 6.3. State which pairs of triangle in figure are similar. Write the similarity criterion used by you for answering the question and also write the pairs of similar triangles in the symbolic form. Now children, here we have different figures. We want to say that whether it is similar triangles or not. Let us take first one, children. Here is a question, children. We have two triangles, children. This triangle and this triangle. We want to prove that given two triangles, any two triangles are similar or not. For that, we have to use our criteria. We have A criteria. From this, we had AA also. If we use AA, then we can say that given two triangles are similar triangles. Children, this is similarity symbol, this is congruent symbol. હવે એ તમને ખબર પડવી જોઈએ, બરાબર? ચલો, second one, that is SSS. AAA ન હોય તો આ પણ હોઈ શકે, આ પણ હોઈ શકે. ઓકે ચિલ્ડ્રન, તો કઈ કન્ડિશન આમાંથી યુઝ કરવાની તે આપેલા કન્ડિશન ઉપરથી જોઈ અને આપણે કહી શકીએ કે કયો ક્રાઇટેરિયા આપણને યુઝફુલ છે. So let us see these two figures. Here you can see that angle A is equal to angle P. Reason is both are 60 degree. First one. Second one, children, let us see angle B. Corresponding angle is what? It is Q. This B, corresponding angle means this angle. So it is Q. So 80 degree. And for angle C, આના માટેનો corresponding angle આ થશે. તો A 40 degree. So now children, you can see that this condition is satisfied. This criterion is set. Children, criterion is a singular noun. Criteria is a plural noun. So by AAA criterion, AAA criterion, we can say that two triangles are similar triangles. Now children, A to B to C. So here also P to Q to R. Triangle PQR. Okay, first sum. Question first I explained you over. Now let us children proceed in second sum. Now children, questions first, second, we have these two figures. Now children, normally we see this way. AB is here, so we will take PQ. BC is here, so we will take QR. AC is here, so we will take PR here. And we see that here is 2, here is 6. So relation is 2 into 3, 6. Let us take 3. 3 into 3, 5. No, children. So here something gotala. So we will make a conclusion that this similarity we cannot prove. Because here is 2.5, here is 4. No relation. આ એક રિલેશન મળ્યું, અહીંયાથી અહીંયા મળ્યું, અહીંયાથી અહીંયા નથી મળતું, અહીંયાથી અહીંયા નથી મળતું, એટલે આપણે કહીશું કે આ બે ટ્રાયંગલ સિમિલર નથી. પણ બટ નાઉ ઇફ વી ચેક ધીસ વે, now children, let us take new sum. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF we want to check. Let us start. Here is 2.5 children. And here is 5. Very good. Here is 3. Here is 6. Very good. And this angle is not given. Here 80 is given and 80 is here. See children, છેતરામણું છે. હા, બરાબર સમજો. ચલો સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ. Now children, this is our question. For this triangle we will draw another triangle. This is another triangle, children. Now see here, AB upon DF, we are getting 2.5 by 5, it is half, comma. Now BC upon FE, children see this figure and this figure, don't see this figure. BC upon FE 3 by 6 is equal to half. So two sides, this is side okay, this is side okay. Now in between angle A, in between angle A is what? B equal to F. So now children, B equal to F. No, because B we don't know. Here 80 is given, but this 80 is for angle A. If angle D is 80, then something we can think. But no, if B is 80, here B is 80, then this 80 and this 80 will be equal. These two sides are equal, so we can say that. But about B, we don't know anything, so this we cannot write. B is not equal to F. And therefore, triangle ABC is not similar to triangle DFE. Okay, children? Or you can write that both the triangles are not similar triangles. We have two triangles, DEF and PQR. Now children, here is 80, here is 80. Okay, something we are getting. Now children, we want to find this angle. Now see children, this is 80, this is 70. About P, nothing is given. So you add this to find out this angle, or you add this to find out this angle. Simple it is. Here is 80, here is 70. Total is what? 150. So what about this? 180 minus 150, it is 30 children. Oh, we got 30. Here is also 30. So we know criteria. Which criteria? Which criterion? By AAA, we can say that these two triangles are similar triangles. But order we have to check it. Here is 70, here also we will get 70. So order is okay. DEF, PQR. So triangle DEF similar to triangle PQR children. So by this way we have finished question number 1 children. Question number 2. In the given figure, this triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. ODC and OBA. Given these two triangles are similar triangles. These two data we have 70 and 125. Find out these three angles. Now children, here these two lines are given. We cannot say that they are parallel, or we cannot say that from the figure they are parallel. We have to prove they are parallel if we want to use it. But here about these two lines nothing are given, so directly you don't start that these two lines are parallel, alternate angles, corresponding angles, that way you don't start. Okay, so now let us use this concept and other related topic. Now say children, first point for triangle ODC, angle COB is an exterior angle. Is it? Children, COB is an exterior angle. So we know that angle DOC plus angle COB is equal to 180. They form a linear pair children, and therefore angle DOC, this is 125, this is 180. Therefore angle DOC 180 minus 125. 10, 5, 5, 7, 2, 5, 0, 1, 1, 0. So DOC, this angle children we found DOC. First answer we found, that is 55 children. Okay, very easy children. Now next we are interested in DCO. So again we know that angle ODC plus angle DCO is equal to angle COB. याद रखो children. Exterior angle, measurement of this angle is equal to sum of these two angles, remote interior angles. યાદ ન હોય તો અહીંયા સેજ દેખાડી દઉં ચિલ્ડ્રન, બરાબર યાદ રાખો, એંગલ એક્સ વાય અને ઝેડ ચિલ્ડ્રન. તો આ ટોટલ થાય એક્સ પ્લસ વાય ઇક્વલ ટુ ઝેડ ચિલ્ડ્રન. એંગલ ઝેડ એક્સટીરિયર એંગલ છે, અહીંયા 125 એંગલ ઝેડ એક્સટીરિયર એંગલ છે. આ બંને એના રિમોટ ઇન્ટિરિયર એંગલ્સ થશે, એક્સ અને વાય, આ એક્સ અને વાય. ઓકે ચિલ્ડ્રન, આનો યુઝ આપણે અહીંયા કર્યો છે. So now put the value children. ODC is 70 plus DCO we want to find. This is 125. Okay. So angle DCO is equal to 125 minus 70. So it is 5, 12, 7, 5. So now children we got 55. So angle DCO 55. Here angle DOC is also 55. Isosceles triangle we have got it children. So this also we found. Now children we want to find angle OAB. Okay. Now children DCO is 55. This is 55. Okay. We want to find children OAB. OA. તો મેં તમને એકદમ સ્ટાર્ટિંગમાં કહ્યું હતું આ બંને ઓલ્ટરનેટ એંગલ નહીં લઈ લેતા, કારણ કે આ બંને પેરેલલ લાઈન છે કે નહીં એ આપી નથી. ફિગરમાં દેખાય છે, ફ્રોમ ધ ફિગર વી કેન સે ધીસ ટુ આર પેરેલલ. ધેટ ટાઈપ ઓફ સ્ટેટમેન્ટ you never write in mathematics. So now here use given condition. Since triangle similarity is given, ODC similar to triangle OBA. Therefore children corresponding angles are equal. So now children OBA, તો આમાંથી આપણે આ એંગલ લખીએ OAB. OAB ફિગર નહીં જુઓ, અહીંયા મારી પેન જુઓ. ફિગર આમ પણ તમને દેખાતી નથી વિડીયોમાં, એ બહુ સારું થયું. OAB, OAB. તો આ જ ઓર્ડરમાં અહીંયા ચાલવાનું. O પહેલા લખ્યો તો અહીંયા O લખો, પછી લાસ્ટ લેટર છે અહીંયા A, તો આનો લાસ્ટ લેટર C અને રિમેનિંગ લેટર. આનો ઓર્ડર આમથી આમ બદલી નાખો. OAB equal to OCD. Why? Because OCD we know. OCD is what? 55. And therefore final answer angle OAB is equal to 55 children. This is final answer that we found. Exercise 6.3, question number 3 children. Here it is written something that you can understand. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel DC intersect each other at the point O. Using a similarity criterion for two triangles, show that OA upon OC equal to OB upon OD. Let us draw the figure and prove it. Now children, this is a figure, trapezium. Trapezium ABCD is given. In that AB line and CD line are parallel. diagonals AC and BD intersect at point O. That is written here. To prove that OA upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. Proof, children. Very easy proof, children. Since AB parallel CD, therefore angle OAB equal to angle OCD. What is the reason, children? Alternate angles. Okay, these two angles are equal because alternate angles. Similarly, and angle OBA similar to congruent to ODC. OBA equal to ODC. Alternate angles, children. We know that alternate angles are always equal if given two lines are parallel. So now, children, by AA criterion, we can say that these two triangles are similar triangles. So triangle OAB similar to triangle OCD. Over. Very easy proof, children. So that we want to prove. We proved similarity. So what? Corresponding sides are equal. So OA upon OC equal to OB upon OD. OA first two letters. So here also first two letters. OB first letter say last letter. So here OD. So here we have proved this, children. Now, children, fourth sum figure is given. Try yourself. You can do it. Let us start question number 5. Now say, children, in question number 5, children, diagram is not given. You can see the question in textbook. S and T are on the sides PR. S is on PR, T is on QR. Second condition is given. Angle P is equal to angle RTS. These two angles are equal. Prove that triangle RPQ similar to triangle RTS. Children, this we want to prove. So now, children, we know that we require, children, this angle and this angle. Now see, children, here angle P, this angle P is congruent to RTS. So by AA condition, we have angle A. I mean one angle A. Now, children, this is common angle, this angle. So we can write this way, children. Angle RPQ is equal to angle RTS. This is given, children. Similarly, we can write angle PRQ equal to angle TRS. Same angle. Okay, so by AA we can prove similarity. So triangle RPQ similar to triangle RTS. Okay, children, very easy it is. So this way you can prove it. Now, children, next question we will see in next video session. Children, bye. We will meet next time. Thank you.